So Wick got something new.
Yeah, new toy.
New toy. Tell the world what you just got.
A 1963 and a half Galaxie 500 XL R code, mid-year model, NASCAR bring about. And I've been looking at these things for a while. This was actually one of like 67 cars that were found in a field in Colorado, the high desert of Colorado. Pretty cool story behind it and all the other cars that were out there. So I was able to pick it up on Bring a Trailer. It's a Survivor, 100% complete. No numbers really per se on these cars back in '63, but the date codes all match within the right amount of time of the build date, which is May 14th, '63. So we're just getting ready to take a look at it and see what all it needs to be a safe driver. But biggest part of it's a 427 dual quad, 425 horsepower, 4-speed traction lock rear. So yeah, she's a get up and go machine, no doubt about it.
I love it.
Yeah.
When Wick told me he was getting this, I got really obscenely excited. Good job, Wick. Good score.
Yeah.
There's dual quad 427. We likey. She's really straight.
Yes, she is.
The light coming through the door is accenting how straight it is.
Nice.
Looks good. Needs some things, but the car's like almost 60 years old, so it's gonna need some things. Real good. Got factory style wheels with the hubcaps in the trunk. American Racing's on it. This thing could do some John Force burnouts.
Oh yeah.
I love it. All right, going up.
You can tell this thing's a lot heavier than that car.
Oh yeah. She's a heavy girl.
Yeah, I think when we work on it, we're going to want to put a couple of those tall jack stands under there because of her weight.
Yeah, she's kind of big.
I don't think she's going to come off of there, but it'd probably be enough to spook us out a little bit. I wouldn't want to get hit by this thing.
No, we're good. Not too shabby so far. I mean, I've only been under here 8 seconds, but ooh, Ford blue. Somebody didn't paint that right.
Yeah, that was kind of not a good idea, whoever thought of that.
We'll go through it. We'll figure it out. We'll see what we got to do here. Hey, Wick.
Yeah.